Okay, I don't have a lot of phone battery here, so I'm gonna go quick, but I'm here at 2 Oyster Bateau. Brand new roof, big lot, over half an acre. Um, Big backyard. Stucco looks in perfect condition. Windows everywhere. Great natural light. All new flooring. You come in, you've got a beautiful living room, high ceilings, skylights. So it just splashes the whole house with this great natural light. Paint, you might want to freshen the paint. That's the only thing I can see you'd need to do, though. Just not, the paint's fine. Maybe just put some a little bit lighter colors. Pool is in perfect condition. And this is where you're going to do most of your living. Windows, windows, windows. High ceilings. Skylights. Beautiful kitchen. Big, spacious kitchen. He said they are replacing 2 fogged windows in the garage. She is a Hilton Head agent, by the way. Has lived here 7 years. They are moving to something a little bit smaller. They have a daughter that's getting ready to enter high school, so this is her office she works out of. Two-car garage. Oh, I hope the phone doesn't die on me. But yeah, I just can't see anything that needs to be done to this house other than maybe fresh paint. So 3 bedrooms all on the same side. This would be their daughter's room. Nice closet. She's got her own bath. Walk-in shower. And the way the market is right now, I'd say this house is priced to sell at almost 3,400 square feet. This is a big room here. This will be bedroom 2. Nice bathroom here. Big bathroom for a guest suite. That's a Murphy bed too, so you could sleep an extra guest here if you wanted. Storage, living. The master's really nice. Great master bathroom here. All this is really new. Just the windows in this house are awesome. Great shower. And they will be uploading new photos and a Matterport, which is a full 360 tour of the house. That's a built-in, by the way. Closet, his and hers. No, not a his and hers. And this is on the 17th green, or the 17th fairway. Of Oyster Reef. Got a patio there for barbecuing. As I said, big backyard. Goes all the way around the house. I mean, there's room to do even more here if you wanted to, and your lot line gonna go all the way out to about here. And then of course, that's the tee box. This is a long par 4, 17, so you're close to the club. And there's a great restaurant up at the club. And they serve dinner, I think, every night of the week. you could just walk or get on your bike. So that's it to Oyster Bateau.